Want to slice, dice, and chop like a pro at home? These knife sets might just transform your cooking experience. The McCook knife set instantly stands out for those who want a blend of style and functionality in their kitchen. Upon unboxing, the sturdy wooden block and the balanced feel of each knife invite immediate use. These knives make quick work of slicing meats or mincing herbs thanks to their sharp stainless steel blades and ergonomic handles. What really struck me was how effortless food prep became. Each knife is designed for precision, making even tedious chopping feel satisfying. The built-in sharpener is a handy bonus and helps keep the set performing optimally with little effort. However, while the knives are impressively sharp out of the box, the handles could feel a bit light for anyone used to a more substantial grip. Bruin's kitchen knife set catches your eye with its modern look and straightforward utility. When I first tried these knives, I was surprised by the way they glided through even tough vegetables. The set includes all the basics for daily meal prep, each with corrosion-resistant blades and comfortable handles. It's amazing how much confidence you'll gain slicing and dicing with tools that just work. The non-slip grip makes every motion safe, especially during those longer cooking sessions. One small thing to note: the knives might feel a bit lightweight for those who prefer heftier blades, but they're ideal for beginners or anyone wanting agility. The Podden kitchen knife set with block brings a sense of elegance and craftsmanship the moment you lay eyes on it. Each knife boasts polished German stainless steel and an ergonomic handle that makes extended meal prep a pleasure. From filleting fish to chopping root vegetables, I felt in complete control. Have you ever felt that satisfying confidence when a knife just feels right? What I appreciated most was the set's balance between durability and visual appeal, which instantly elevated my countertop. The included block organizes the knives perfectly and doubles as a statement piece. If anything, the price point is a bit higher, so it's more of an investment. Henkel's Statement Premium Quality Knife Set feels like a chef's trusted companion right from the first use. Each knife showcases solid construction, sharpness, and a comfortable grip, turning everyday meal prep into a treat. The satin finish blades make each cut smooth and clean, whether you're slicing tomatoes or carving poultry. I was pleasantly surprised by how sturdy and evenly weighted these knives feel, making them suitable even for those with a discerning touch. One consideration: the block might take up a bit of counter space, so if you have a smaller kitchen, plan accordingly. The Henkel Statement razor-sharp knife set takes sharpness and precision to the next level. I immediately noticed how each knife tackled everything from crusty bread to juicy fruit with incredible ease. Who doesn't love that perfect, clean slice? Quality materials mean these knives hold their edge longer, and the sturdy handles make them comfortable to use even during marathon cooking sessions. The set has enough variety to cover all your culinary needs. If I had to nitpick, the higher price might give some pause, but the performance certainly matches the investment. Holding a Dahlstrong knife, you sense true excellence in craftsmanship and design. This luxurious 18-piece set is a showstopper. Each knife gleams with high-carbon steel and expert finishing. The feel in your hand is unmatched, providing both balance and control. From delicate slicing to heavy-duty chopping, this set seems to handle it all without breaking a sweat. Every session in the kitchen feels elevated, almost like being in a professional restaurant. Of course, at this price, it's a significant investment and might be more suited for dedicated cooks or those looking to splurge. Katasun's 16-piece set surprised me with its impressive functionality at such an affordable price. The variety covers any kitchen task, from peeling to carving, and the knives feel surprisingly solid for the cost. I found it super easy to switch between knives for different ingredients, and the sharpness makes prep swift and enjoyable. Who wouldn't want meal times to feel this effortless? That said, the materials don't feel as premium as some higher-priced sets, but for everyday use, they get the job done. If you're setting up a kitchen or need a practical budget option, this Katasun set might just become your favorite cooking ally.